Have you ever stand in a busy mall and suddenly feel very small? You want to ask one simple question, but your mouth feels dry, your heart beats fast, and you think, what if I say it wrong? What if today is the day you stop running from your own voice?
Welcome to English Booster Channel, the English word, real life English. Here, we practice English in real situations, not in silence, not in imagination, but in places full of people, full of noise, full of life.
This is part 3 of our shopping mall journey. Today, we do not chase perfection. Today, we build courage.
Automatic doors open. Footsteps echo on the shiny floor. Bright lights shine from every shop.
This place feels overwhelming.
It feels alive.
I feel like everyone is confident except me.
That is your mind speaking, not reality.
But when I see people talking fast in English, I freeze.
Then today, we unfreeze you. Shopping scene. Buying a shirt.
They stop near a clothing section. Shirts hang neatly on racks. I like this blue shirt, but I do not know how to start.
Start simple, always simple.
What if I forget words?
Then use easier ones. Silence for a second.
Hello, I want this shirt in large size. Do you have it? He looks at Emily.
That is clear. That is enough.
And if they say something I do not understand?
You say, please repeat slowly.
Please repeat slowly. He nods. It sounds possible.
Because it is possible. Internal fear moment.
Sometimes I feel people are watching me.
They are busy choosing their own clothes.
I feel my chest tight when I speak.
That tightness is fear leaving your body.
It feels uncomfortable.
Growth feels uncomfortable at first. Scene 2. Size confusion.
They move to shoe section. Last time I bought shoes, I did not ask about return policy.
And what happened?
They did not fit well, but I stayed silent.
Today, you ask.
If the size is not correct, can I exchange it? He looks unsure.
Good. Add one more line.
If it is not correct, can I exchange it? He looks unsure.
Perfect. These sentences are simple, but they feel powerful.
Because they give you control.
Scene 3. Food court challenge.
Crowd noise grows louder. Smell of food fills the air. This place makes me nervous.
Why?
People stand behind me in line. I feel pressure.
Then breathe slowly before you speak.
Hello. I would like a sandwich and a bottle of water. He pauses. If they ask something else?
Answer one question at a time.
Regular size is fine. That's all. He repeats quietly. Regular size is fine.
See? Calm, clear.
My voice still shakes a little.
Let it shake, but let it speak. Emotional confession.
They sit down for a moment. Can I tell you something honest?
Always.
In school, when I spoke English, some students laughed. His voice lowers. I remember that sound.
One small group of people does not decide your future.
But the memory stays.
Today, you create a new memory.
How?
By speaking again, in a new place. Scene 4. Returning an item. Practice dialogue.
Hello. I bought this jacket yesterday. It is too small. I would like to exchange it.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Would you like refund or exchange?
I prefer exchange. That felt natural.
Because you are not overthinking.
Practical confidence section. They walk slowly toward escalator. Let me tell you something important. Confidence doesn't come from grammar books. It comes from action. Speak even if sentence is short. Use small words. Don't rush. Keep your voice steady. If you make a mistake, continue. No one stops the world because of one wrong word. So I don't need perfect English?
You need honest English. Scene 5. Asking for location.
I can't find the bookstore here.
Then practice asking.
Excuse me, where is the bookstore? He smiles slightly. That sounds easy.
Because it is.
Why did I make it so big in my mind?
Fear likes to grow in silence. Transformation moment.
They reach near the exit. Evening light enters through glass walls. Mall becomes quieter. Something feels different inside me.
Describe it.
I feel lighter.
What changed?
I stopped waiting for perfect confidence.
Yes.
I started speaking first.
Direct message to viewers. Maybe you're watching this and thinking, I'm still scared.
I was scared too.
But silence never helped.
Speaking helped.
Next time you go to a mall,
Ask one question.
order one thing.
Say one clear sentence.
That's enough for one day. Final emotional closing.
Soft light falls behind them. People walk in and out. Life continues. I thought confidence comes first.
No, action comes first.
Even if my voice is not strong?
Strength grows with practice.
Even if I feel shy?
Shyness does not stop brave people. Your voice deserves space in this world.
And I will give it space. He breathes deeply.
This is English Booster, the English word, real-life English.
If this lesson touches your heart, press like.
Write in the comments, what sentence will you speak at the mall?
Subscribe for more real-life English practice.
Share this video with someone who hides their voice. Together, don't blame grammar, speak with confidence.